everybody, welcome to the channel. Today I wanted to show you how to make blackberry cobbler. Listen to that. Ooh, that sounds so good. This took me about an hour to make, but of course you have to keep in mind I was using frozen blackberries and I didn't preheat my oven because I forgot again. But this should probably take you about maybe 45 to 55 minutes at the most. And it is a nice, easy thing that you can throw together, put in your oven, and have for a dessert. This is a very easy recipe. I hope you like the video. I hope you enjoy. Yes, I have a band-aid on my hand. It's okay. I'm not touching anything with it. I cut the heck out of my finger on some metal. I said that in the last video, too. And I'm also going to probably be permanently using my stand mixer bowl because in my last video I also broke one of my bowls. So if you notice that my bowl came from a stand mixer, yeah, if you notice that it's dented, I'm a very clumsy person and I'm sorry. And I did not realize how much I break things around the kitchen. It's just like I'm either breaking a lot more stuff more often, or I am just realizing how much stuff I break. You know what? I'm rambling. I hope you like the video. I hope you make this too. Let me know how yours turns out. And let's get right into it. Alright, I have got a fairly large bowl out, and now the first thing you're going to want to do is do 6 cups, this is 4, but we're going to want to do 6 cups of frozen or fresh blackberries. We're going to put those in our bowl. Just like that. A half a cup of sugar. A 1/4 cup of butter. This is margarine, but who cares? And 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. Now we are going to mix this up. Yeah, that looks nice. And we have a 9 by 13 inch pan that we are going to pour this in. Did I mention preheat oven to 350? Preheat your oven to 350 degrees. I don't remember if I mentioned that or not. It's like that. Okay. Now we're going to scoot this over to the side. We're going to grab another bowl. And in this bowl, we're going to put 2½ cups of flour. A tablespoon of baking powder. 1 teaspoon salt. 1½ cups of sugar. Lumpy sugar at that. Another 1/4 cup of butter. This time it's real butter. I don't know. And 2 cups of the famous Moo juice. Now we're going to take a spatula or a spoon or whatever and mix it. Now this is a very quick, easy cobbler recipe. It doesn't have a whole lot of stuff to it, but I did forget something. A tablespoon of vanilla extract. I knew I was forgetting something. Just couldn't figure out what it was. There. Mix this all together. Gotta be careful not to slosh it out. It's a little messy if you're not careful. If you didn't hear that, that was my oven kicking on, because once again, without fail, I have forgot to preheat my oven. I'm really good at that. Alright, we're going to grab our pan, and we're going to pour our very lumpy looking mixture. It doesn't look that pretty. I'm sure yours is going to look better than mine. Lumpy looking mixture over the berries. Try to do it evenly. Last time I did a pour over a cobbler, I didn't do it very evenly. I had to pick some out and put it places. This shouldn't be that hard to not put it evenly though, because it's so watery. Watery, I guess, is what the word would be. Yeah, definitely. All right. Now we're going to put this in our oven, and we are going to bake it for about 55 to 60 minutes. I will go ahead and do that. Now, if you have a stronger oven, I'm sure it will take you a shorter amount of time. So by the time the 45-minute mark comes around, just keep an eye on it. Make sure it doesn't get too dark. But I'm going to put mine in for 55 to 60 minutes, and I will show you the end results. This is super easy, just a little throw together recipe like all cobblers should be. So, yeah, I'll see you then. Alright, we are done. I have got a pesky fly somewhere around in this area, and I need to watch out for him. I'm going to put some out, show you. Ooh, that looks so good. Just like that. Just a little bit more. I don't want to tap the bowl with this. This is metal. I'm going to grab some Cool Whip. That is beautiful right there. Oh my gosh, that looks so good. So yep, this is a very simple, easy recipe. Not a whole lot of drama in it. It's just a nice, simple cobbler recipe. Oh, that looks so good. I hope you liked the video. I hope you subscribe for more content. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I hope you make this too. And I hope you try it, because this stuff is awesome. It's so good. My taste buds are a little burnt now, but it's so good. It's worth it. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you like and subscribe. And yeah, have a good day. God bless you. Thank you. See you in the next one.